The Arctic Vibe Celsius. Let's taste this thing.
Fruity odor.
Impressions live. Never tasted it before.
It smells like bananas and pears.
Ooh. I think it's pretty good.
That's a lot of sucralose.
Pretty high number of vitamins.
So that vitamin B5 in here. Celsius Arctic Vibe off the Headspace GC. Just a couple peaks, not a lot of flavor here. First major peak, ethyl isovalerate. Let's see what that one tastes like. Ethyl isovalerate smells strong odor similar to apple. Fruity odor in food and perfume. Here is another ester. This one is isoamyl acetate. We've seen this before. This smells like bananas and pears. It's banana oil or pear oil. And then the last major peak is benzaldehyde. Oh boy, we've seen benzaldehyde in cherry flavored beverages like in Dr. Pepper. That is your cherry flavor. UDA, single quad, negative mode on top, positive mode on bottom. First two obvious things. In the negative mode, we have this huge 397 mass peak, which matches the isotope pattern for sucralose, the chlorinated sugar, at that 394 mass. And so there's that sucralose. That's a lot of sucralose. The next peak in the positive mode that we would expect is caffeine. And there's caffeine at 195. We see that all the time. That's actually a pretty good amount of caffeine. So that big blob where the salt comes out in the negative mode here gives us the masses right here with 190.9. The most prominent mass is citric acid. I mean, that makes sense. We see citric acid in all these energy drinks. Our prominent mass is 124 is taurine. So this drink does have taurine in it. Tiny peak there at 174.9, 175. Looks like it's probably vitamin C, ascorbic acid. In positive mode, we got this cluster at 222.42, and that is pantothenic acid, but that's better known as vitamin B5. Got lots of that vitamin B5 in here. The majority of the drink is sucralose. However, there is a little bit of sucrose. That peak right there at 365, sodiated form of sucrose from 342 plus a sodium. So there is some sucrose.